I hope y'all are watching. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Janae. And y'all, look at my hair. Oh my gosh. What the fake? As y'all can see by the motherfucking title, everybody keeps DMing me, y'all. Y'all keep messaging me and stuff. It's like, damn, y'all really be trying to talk to me. But I've seen a lot. People have been asking for an updated hair routine, and I have an updated hair routine because I did start using new products. And so I'm just gonna walk you guys through my new updated hair routine and show y'all what I do to my hair to make it get shit poppin'. But anyways, I'm about to just show y'all my hair products really quick. Should I wet my hair first? I think I should wet my hair first. No, actually, because I like to apply the products as wet as possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show y'all the hair products that I apply in the order. Whatever it is. Or whatever she said. Anyway, y'all, let's get into the motherfucking video, bitch. I have, this is like water with a little bit of mixture of something else, with a little bit of chemicals, with a little bit of something else in it. But it had a little bit of remains of this leave-in hydrating repair multi-action manuka honey and yogurt. Really good, y'all. Killed the whole bottle. But I had to take the little residue and make a little reaction in there, you know. Shake it up and pat it. Then I got this. This is my leave-in water. Then I'll take and I'll put Incredible Curls by Jane Carter. I paid $15 for this, but you could probably find it somewhere else cheaper. Hopefully you can, because $15 is just too much. And I must have been out of my mind, out of my membranes, anything, all of that. I must have just been out of it, completely blacked out. I don't remember buying it. I'm about to contact fraud because I don't remember swiping my card for this, but I must have. I'll take and I'll put in my Fiji Curlrific. Y'all, this is the bomb. This product is vegan, y'all. Both of these products are anti-humidity, and it's really hot and movable, so I gotta use anti-humidity. And yeah, it's anti-frizz, all of that, it helps. But yeah, this is Curl Definer by Fiji. You can find this for like $8, maybe cheaper. And then this is what I've added new to my routine, and I just want to thank God personally, because he told me to not think the products is just meant for one race when they not. Because I thought that Tresemme was not for my type of people's hair, and I lied to myself and I played myself, and I shouldn't have done that. But thank you, God, personally. Like, me personally, thank you. Like, I'm talking to you on an individual level. Thank you personally, individually, by myself. Yes, Tresemme 5 hair gel, y'all. It is the bomb. Like, don't sleep on Tresemme. I really like this gel. It works really good. It makes my hair stretch, and it allows for my hair to be at its biggest potential. And yeah, so now that I'm done talking about all these products and what they do for me and how they work and how I'm about to apply them, I just showed y'all in the order that I'm going to apply them. That's how I'm going to apply them. So when I get to doing the stuff, don't be trying to ask me no questions, because I can't hear you anyways. I'll be back. I gotta put some liquid in her. Oh, I have deep conditioner in my hair right now, but I slept on my head last night, and so it's a hot mess. I'll be back. Pop star nails on the nails. Look at them. Look at them. Ooh, yes. Y'all better book with her. Nail video coming soon. Can you hand me my shirt, please? Thank you very much. You be thinking I'm finessing people when I say that.
You do.
No, I don't. Follow me. Don't follow me. I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. Hey, I wanna give you better. Okay. Alright. Now that I'm in a little wet situation, I got my t-shirt because I do not like the towel dry. I like the t-shirt dry. Here we go. Beady bees. Beady bees. Shout out to these big ass clips. They come through every time. There go my leave-in water. I'll sometimes take my goodie brush. Sorry about the hair in there. So I'll spray my brush. I can spray my hair. Spray, spray, spray. Moosh, moosh, moosh. And detangle my hair. When you detangle your hair, you want to start from the ends because you do not want to rip your hair out. Once them ends is detangled through, you can go back up to the roots and start combing down there. This is just my little leave-in water with a little bit of manuka honey and yogurt shit in there. This is just the power of product, y'all, and a good brush. So you just want to make sure you are applying. If you have really thick hair like me, you want to make sure that you are applying your product through your hair as great as possible, because when that sun gets to getting on your hair and your hair gets to absorbing the product, it gets real ugly. So you just want to make sure all your hair has product in it. Then I'll take and get my finger detangle. I just love how these products stretch out my hair automatically. They work really good with my hair type. I am a 3B, 3C, and a little bit of 4A, 4B, but I'm mostly 3B, 3C. I know I messed up in the last video. I was under the influence when I said that I was 4B. I got 4B in my hair, but I'm not all 4B. So forgive me for that, please, because I know that some people was pissed off that I said that. But it is what it is. I messed up my words. It happens sometimes. I'm gonna just comb through my ends again, just so I can get more of a little bit of bounce. Then I'm gonna take this. A Fiji is a really good product to me. They just have their own smell. And when I say that, they smell really different. I think it's just because of the chemicals that they put in their product. And it's not even like it's terrible chemicals. It just has a different smell. So if you have really thick hair, because I don't want to say, because if you don't have very thick hair and your hair is like 3A or 2A or whatever, you might not want to do your hair routine like I'm doing mine, because this may or may not be too much for your hair. You know what I mean? Because my hair is really thick. This is what I need to do. I need to put in a leave-in, a cream, and then a gel, and damn, my hair routine will last up to this last hair routine that I just took down 2 days ago. I had it in my hair for 15 days, 2 whole weeks. Not cool. Not the move. Do not ever make your hair stay that long unless it's a protective style. But I just had my fro, y'all, and that's not safe. I had dreads, literally dreads, fucking dreads, like Bob Marley. Here we go. This is after applying all the product. This is what it'll look like in the drying process. I'll just take and scrunch it just a little bit. I'm about to apply the rest of the product in my hair, and I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like after I apply it all in my hair. Okay, together. I hope y'all are watching. Like, this is what I do, y'all. Awesome. And there you have my hair wet. This is what it's looking like, y'all. So the way that I dry, I usually air dry. In summer, there's no reason not to air dry. That's why I have to put so many anti-humidity hair products, because I do not want the heat to mess it up. But anyways, y'all, I'll be back with my dry results. Peace. We out. I'm about to show y'all my poofing process and what I do when I get my hair big. If my bra shows, I don't care. Sorry. And I got my tea tree oil. And then I'll just take my pick, y'all, and go and apply some value in there, all up in there. There is my updated hair routine, how I get my hair popping. I hope that y'all truly enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what else y'all would like to see on my channel. Let me know if y'all like to see any more hair stuff and what exactly y'all would like to see. I hope y'all do like this video. All the products that I use were listed in the video in the beginning, so if you skipped, you probably missed what products I use. We out.